Hello, it's Michael Fredger, and today I am going to review this set. Yay! And my big brother is just playing with the piano. I don't know if you hear him. And yeah, I give this set a 10 out of 10 because there are 3 bamboo tree thingies, and it would be like, I don't know, bad if there was only one. And it comes with this bamboo thingy that goes there. Then it comes with two pandas and an Oslo, which I never had in any of my Lego sets. And and Lego Alex with the diamond pickaxe. Oh, and also, my little brother here say hi. Hi. Okay.
Hi.
Okay. So, yeah, there's a hidden mushroom over here. No one knows where it is, but except I know. And I just put the cake here because why not? Also, you see these fences? I used to lose one. It was under my jar the whole time, and I had to rebuild it. Wait, I want to get wait. Here it is. Here's the fence that I wanted to rebuild it with. Oh my god, it sucked so much. Look over here. Look over here, bro. You see this? Compare it to the way it broke. Even the panda side broke. I can't. Okay, finally. So compare that fence with this fence. It looks so ugly. It's not even the same height. My fence is smaller, shorter. Oh, and yeah, hope you like this. Wait, before I just want to say the price. This was $20, so worth it. I like this set. So yeah. Yeah. So also, you see that fish? Remember I got it from the Pelican set? Yeah, I lost it, now I have it back. Well, not actually have it back, but like, I have a new one. But too bad because the ocelot's gonna make it disappear. So, yeah. Hope you liked this video, and bye.